Today we are addressing an annoying popping noise that occurs on your automatic leveling system with a 2019 Keystone Raptor 421CK with a Lippert leveling system. Lippert has come out with a technical bulletin addressing the popping noise, which you'll hear while you're sleeping at night. You'll hear a popping, a creaking noise, and it is rather apparent when the temperatures change from hot to cold. First thing we're doing is we are making sure that our leveling system is fully retracted, so we fill up the fluid container here to the maximum capacity. Then we're removing exactly 1 quart of the hydraulic fluid.
And we got the Rubbermaid container, which has a marker on the side that shows 32 ounces, so it makes it easy.
We removed 1 quart of hydraulic fluid. We added 1 quart of Caterpillar hydraulic oil additive, part number 1U-9891. Once you put the additive in, the best thing to do is cycle the leveling system a few times to mix up the fluid, but also to help get the fluid in the front stabilizer bars or leveling bars.
So the level of the fluid goes down as we lower the jack stand. So now we're raising and lowering the jacks to mix the new hydraulic fluid into the system. You see we're raising the jack so the fluid level will go back up. So we've cycled the fluid through, but it's below, slightly below the fill line. So we're going to add back some of the original fluid to get it up to the fill line. Now we've got the level to the fill line, and then we can lower our jacks back down. Now we're going to lower them back into position, and you'll see the fluid level line will drop.